Hey everyone, so today I'm using my BYS Peach Pinks. Yeah, Peachy Pinks. That's what it says in the back. I'm using the NYX concealer in orange. It's like a right peach color. And since I don't have any like peach, but anyway, that's what I put on. So I'm gonna start with this. I'm looking for the pink colors, so for the pinker colors anyway. I think I'm going to start with that. It's a very bright peachy pink, which I guess could also be considered a coral. Last week, I consider what happened last week a fail. Because those gel glitter, they're just hard. And I'm gonna go with that matte. And I think I'm gonna blend it out with this. This one is not as bright, it's softer, so I'm just gonna soften that out. Wow, these frosts are like powerful. It like overpowered that matte coral color. So let's try and get that back in there. Sorry if I'm all over the place. And I'm just gonna go with that very light peach color and use that as the brow bone. Wow, these are intense. It looks like a very, very light peach, but it goes on pretty intense. So I'm just gonna put regular black liner mascara, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. So hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I tried out this Color Crave Metallic. You have to break them open, you gotta shake them up. You can't do it with the applicator, you gotta take off the applicator. And you gotta put it all over your hands and put it in your hair. Now this is, if I had my whole entire hair looking like this, that's what I would have preferred than what that did to me, the metallics got to be. But just to let you know what I did, I used this bronzer. I used the bronzer that came here and this very dark black brown on my outer corners to give it depth. I use the peach blush. It has a mild peach scent for my cheeks. And then I used this highlighter palette, and I used this on my nose, that on my cheeks, and that on the inner corners of my eyes. And then I use, since I can't find my nectar, I use my NYX Citrine pencil, and I use Peaches and Cream liquid lipstick on the lips. So that's what I did for my makeup, and I have 2 more palettes to go through, so I'll probably be doing that for the rest of August. And in September, I'm thinking about doing a Power Ranger series from September through October. I wanted to do my neon eyes, but I've been wanting to do this Power Rangers for like 2 years, so I think I'm gonna do that starting September. I think I'm gonna do 8. I'm not sure yet. Anyway,